Friends and viewers, welcome to Fibonacci channel. Please spare some time with me to know who I am and what is Fibonacci channel all about and what is the takeaway from this channel. Let's get started, guys. Myself SP Karthikeyan, having 15 plus years of experience in software testing. One fine day I wanted to work myself, so I quit my job. Then I got into trading. So 3+ years of experience in trading taught me so many things. I would like to share all my experience with you people. Thank you. So when I started my trading, I don't have any clue of the technicals. So I know the basic buying and selling concept, and I have gone through a lot of YouTube videos, all other stuffs. Then I created my portfolio with a small capital and start playing with the equity shares. I made 200 to 500 rupees per day uh, with my knowledge. But one point of time where I was in a situation to earn more, so I wanted to join some course and level up my technical abilities. So I joined some course that cost me around 60,000. But end of the day, the course or the institution where they are teaching us, they won't tell you the neck of trading. Instead, they will suggest us to take subscriptions where they will be providing an advisory course. So I don't have, after completing my course, I don't have any option. So my level of knowledge and the discipline of trading was not improved. So I forcefully taken the advisory calls, subscriptions, monthly subscriptions. But if you see in over point of the time, I have lost almost all my capital. So what was my takeaway at that point of time was we should not go for any advisory calls. Number one. Two is we should learn more to earn more. So I started reading a lot of books. So I will be posting the books which I have read so far. So that will definitely help you people to understand so many things. So this is how I started my trading journey. Then now I'm become a full-time trader. I'm earning very decent money in trading. So as for my experience, this trading become your primary source of income based on your learning. If you learn more, you will earn more. So we will be learning from basic to expert level. This is the idea. So what is Fibonacci channel all about it? So in my 3 years experience, I have lost so much of money, and if you go or ask any financial institution or any finance guys, they will be suggesting advisory calls. So I would like to open a channel where I can light a candle saying that don't go for any advisory calls, don't hand over your trading account to someone, don't give your capital to someone, ask them to play for you. So these don'ts I wanted to highlight. That is why this Fibonacci channel I have created, and I wanted to educate the people by the concept what I have learned so far, so that the people who really needs money or secondary income or the primary income, they can learn and do this. So the takeaway from this Fibonacci channel is one fine day you will become a successful trader. So we will learn together and will grow together. That is the idea behind it. So I will be creating more videos about the trade setup and the other sites where I will be gathering technical information. All those information I will be keep sharing it with you people, and also will create a videos. So please go through the videos when you find time. I won't take much time. I'll be um, to the point. I'll explain and go off. That is the idea, guys. If you have any question or any queries, please feel free to write an email to the uh, below mentioned email ID, and I have shared few links where you can open up your trading and demat account with this vendor. They are good. Also for technical reference, I have shared TradingView link. You can also go through that. And if you would like to join my Telegram and to discuss something or clear about your doubts, you can feel free to join. So here we are only learning the technicals. Once we learn the technicals, we do few paper trade. Once you gain the confidence in paper trade, then we will jump into the actual trading. This is the idea all about. So let's light a candle, guys. Let me show my uh, trade setup so that you can slowly uh, gather the knowledge. What is the setup all about it? So I am for trading and Demat account I am using Alice Blue, which is a very good uh, vendor. So it's up to you people uh, whom you want and what software is comfortable with you, easy of use. So based on that you take a decision what you wanted to uh, build your portfolio. So I use Zerodha, I use stocks, I use Alice Blue. So now I'm sticking to Alice Blue because it gives very good margin and also um, it's kind of very simple and easy. So I'll give a quick demo of these two things, the trading account and then the trading view. So setup. So let's get started guys. So this is all about Fibonacci channel. Thank you so much. Let's get into the basic setups. So this is actually the Alice Blue software. So here you can see the top gainers. Sorry guys, my session got expired. So in this you can see top gainers, top losers of Nifty 50 and yes, you can see a lot of things, Nifty Bank, all those things, Nifty IT, Nifty Metal, all the sectors you can see it, and the gainers and losers also you can see for that respective thing. So this is the equity, you can add it to your watch list. So when you add it, it will come to your watch list, and then when you click on this will open a chart where you can see the complete candlestick patterns. So this is a 1 hour time frame, so I have selected. You can have any time frame which is comfortable for you. So I usually use 5 minutes. So basically I trade in Bank Nifty, so I always do option trading with the Bank Nifty. So once you load Bank Nifty chart, it will come. So you can see the 5 minutes candle. So this is today's 9:15 candle stick, and market started in the red, and it came down, and then again it went up, and then again it came down. So this is how this was. So the technicals which I going to use is I use moving averages. So I use 4 moving averages and 1 pivot point. This is my initial trade setup. So in this video I will explain few things about it. So I use 5 moving average, that's in blue color. I use 20 moving average, that's in green color. I also use 50, that's in red color, and I use 200, that's in purple. So this is the main indicator, and this is simple moving average. So if you observe this setup, the 5 moving average is like a trend line. It looks like a trend line. It always go with the candle. That gives you the trend, whether it is going to be uptrend or downtrend. So if you look at it, the market opened here and came down, and it is crossed the 5 SMA. If it is the candle crossed 5 SMA and the next candle give me a confirmation saying that it opened behind below the 5 SMA, then that is a confirmation for us to see a downtrend. So easily you can sell Bank Nifty here, and you can keep your stop loss either above the 5 SMA or this 20 SMA or previous candles 50%. So these are all the stop losses. This 200 SMA hit the candles. The candle comes and touch the 200. It throws the candle either side. Maybe it may throw upwards or it may throw downwards. So if your 5 SMA confirms that it is going to be a downtrend and there is a 200 SMA down the line, the candles are able to break the 200, then your downtrend will keep continuing. You can book your profit anytime after that, or you can trail your stop loss to 200 SMA once it's the candle break the 200. The 20 and 50 also confirm that trend. If the 20 is below 50, then it confirms as a downtrend. If 20 is above the 50, then the market may go up. This is how this SMAs help us to identify the trend. And if you see in big picture, above 200, the 20 and 50 above 200 will always give you the uptrend. When 25, 20 and 50 SMA is below 200, then market will come down. So this is the trade setup. Based on this setup, you can earn easily 50 to 100 points in Nifty every day. This is the basic setup. And also I will use pivot points. That too, I use Fibonacci pivot points. So why I use Fibonacci pivot point here is, say for example, the entry and exit and then stop loss, we should know it. This pivot, Fibonacci pivot point, will help us to decide the SL, stop loss, and then target. So now if you see this black line is a central pivot, and then above first red line is the resistant 1, that is R1, resistant to R2, resistant 3, R3. Above that it will become a upper circuit. Below that, below the central pivot, if you see, this is support 1, S1. This next green line is the support 2, S2. This is support 3, S3. So these are all the levels. Based on the initial candle open, you can decide, and based on our SMA, we can decide that, okay, this is going to be a downtrend because the 20 is below 50 and 5 is already broken by the first candle, 5 minutes candle, and then it gives the second 920 candle, give me the confirmation saying that the trend is going to be downtrend. So, and if you see, the pivot point is here, and the central pivot is here. So you can keep the candle opened in between two ranges, that is, one is the central pivot and then support. You can say that central pivot as a stop loss, and then your first target will be the S1, support 1, that is the first green line. Once this is broken, then you can change your target to S2, support 2. Then support 3, you need to be careful because support 3, before reaching support 3, it may give a small reversal. So next target, 50% of S3, you can keep it your target. So you can keep moving your target based on the pivot points. So this is how I do my trading with price action. So this is a sample video. So I'll be creating live market videos with my entry and exit levels and share you all people. If you want to learn more about all these concepts, you can easily reach out to me or watch other videos which I am going to publish. Whenever you have a time, you keep watching it. This is how this is my trade setup, and this is how I am earning money in Bank Nifty, guys. Hope this trade setup is help you people to understand how the trade is, the technical is. So come to the other point. Just wanted to things you understand the candlestick, you understand the SMAs, you understand the pivots levels. So once you are familiar with this, then start doing a paper trade. How you do paper trade? Morning 9:15, you set up all this, be ready. The moment the first candle plotted, wait for 9:20 candle for the confirmation of the trend. Along with all these SMAs, once you are know that this is going to be the downtrend or uptrend, then write down the entry price in a paper or trade book. Create a trade book and entry, do entry here. What is your entry price? What is your target? Based on the simple concept of pivot points. And also considering the SMAs. If you do that, entry, exit, and SL, stop loss, entry, target. If you record it in your trade book and watch the market, if the market goes and hits your target, then your trade is success. If not, then find out why. If you are not able to find it out, please post that query so that I will check and let you know why this was not executed. So we can clarify our doubt in that manner. So when you are doing paper trade, you keep doing for few days and you gain the confidence. Once you gain the confidence in paper trade and all the trades got success, then you build your capital, start doing the actual trading. So from my experience, the actual trading requires 30 to 40% of technical skill, 60 to 70% of psychological stability, so mental stability. It is a psychological game. Market fluctuates a lot. It goes up, it comes down, but you should be in a position to accept and watch. So I request you guys to practice more in paper trade for few days. Once all your trade is success, then jump into real trade with minimal quantity. So right now I am doing only Bank Nifty. I also do futures. I also do equity. That techniques I will create another videos and put it. So this is all about the core technicals. how to read the chart, all those things. Candlesticks, pattern, or all other things and all, you can read it in the books if you really want. But if you really understand this concept of SMAs and pivot points, you can easily earn decent money. So if you guys really wanted to become a successful trader with this strategy, stick to one strategy. I'm not saying that this strategy is good, but in trading, every people have their own strategy. But as a trader, we should stick to one strategy and get well versed. So stick to one strategy and learn, understand how the market is responding to your strategy, when it is going against, when it is going what you have, the way, the direction which you are expecting. All those things you understand with one strategy, then you'll become a successful trader. This is what the initial setup and trade setup, and this is what I am also using every day, and based on this only I am taking my trade calls and square off my position and in it. This same setup is applicable to all kind of trading. Natural gas, if you go to natural gas also it applicable. The strategy is same all over the similar. See the 5 SMA. So it is completely range market. See the ranges up and down. It is going, market is going up and down, up and down. So range market we should avoid it. Avoid trading it. So wait for some probable trade and do a good, earn a good money. So I'll create a couple of other videos for stocks and other things. We'll learn together and then slowly you become an independent trader. So this is what my trade setup is. Coming to time frames, all other stuffs, we will discuss in other videos. But as of now, this is the setup. If you have any doubt or anything, you can anytime you can send me an email or you can join my Telegram group and post it. I will respond to your queries. If you use similar kind of vendor, you can always find all these tools in the studies. You can keep adding to your chart analysis. This is from vendor side. The other link which I have mentioned is TradingView. In that, if you see similar SMS, say for example this blue is my 5 and this green is 20, this is 50 and again this is 200 SMS. So in TradingView, if you see it, they will give all the candlestick from the similar way. So either you can use your vendor chart or TradingView chart. Most of the time I use TradingView chart. So concept is same. Let's see. Market opened 9:15 here. Same pattern. See, look at that blue. 5 SMA. Then 5 SMA is broken here. Next candle gave me a confirmation he didn't break down. So it starts going up. So this is how I learn and earn money. Thank you guys. I'll catch you people with some other videos. Any doubt, please send me an email. Thank you so much. Bye bye.